In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make lemon bars. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney, and since spring is officially here, people are looking for recipes with lemon. Maybe it's because it's yellow and there's pollen literally everywhere right now. I don't know about you, but I swear every time I get my car washed, it turns yellow within a day later. It's slightly annoying. But lemon's really big right now, and with lemon bars, it's got a sweet pie crust and a gooey baked lemon topping. It's almost like a pie in a bar. I guess that's the best way to describe it. If you like the combination of sweet and tart, this just may be your jam. I'll post the recipe link below for the full recipe. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe because there's gonna be a lot more videos coming. Let's do this.
We're gonna start making our sweet pie crust by combining softened butter, flour, sugar, and salt in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Then take your electric mixer and beat it until it's well combined. Don't worry if there are a few clumps of butter because I can't think of anything better than biting into a nice clump of butter in a pie crust. Can you? Now we're going to press this into the bottom of our baking dish. We're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven from 25 to 40 minutes, depending on what size baking dish you're using.
You can make these bars in a 9 by 13 inch dish. However, I made them in an 11 by 8 because I like for my bars to be a little bit thicker. So if you like thinner lemon bars, go with the 9 by 13 inch dish.
Now it's time to get that lemon juice ready. As you can see here, I am pressing down on the lemon to make sure it's nice and squishy. This helps ensure that you are going to get as much juice out of the lemon whenever it's softer, and that's why I press down on it. This trick has helped me so much over the years whenever it comes to squeezing lemons, because squeezing hard lemons to get the juice out is quite challenging. I do prefer using freshly squeezed lemon juice here because of the flavor. It is so much better. Combine sugar and a little bit of flour. We're going to whisk that together really well and then set it aside while we combine our eggs and lemon juice. Now it's time to whisk those eggs until they are beaten really well. Don't be shy, whisk them good. Now let's add our lemon juice and whisk those together. Now it's time to combine these two in perfect harmony. Whisk those together really well before pouring them on top of our baked pie crust. Look at that beautiful golden color. Once we get this lemon mixture on top of our pie crust, we are going to put that back in our 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. There it is, all purty and baked and ready to be cut into squares. Just kidding, we're going to chill these in the fridge before we cut them. Here they are, all cut and ready to be garnished with our powdered sugar. I put this in a little mini strainer and just sprinkled that on top. And I may have gone a little overboard and making it snow big time with these little guys, but I couldn't help it. After cutting these into squares, I did realize that next time I make these, I will line my baking dish with parchment paper first before I bake them so that I can easily pull them out and cut them, because I was using some language that may not have been suitable for children's ears trying to get these things out of the pan. So that is my suggestion to you. So for the future, I highly recommend the parchment paper. Look at those gooey little babies. They look delicious. Make sure you store these in the fridge, but they are best when they are fresh.
It's time to sink my teeth into one of these bad boys. Now here's the question, fork or no fork? I'm not using a fork, this is a bar. No need for a fork today. That fresh lemon flavor from the freshly squeezed lemon juice. That tartness and the sugar. Oh my God. Just remember, I'm here for you to make sure that these recipes are edible. You're welcome. That wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.